Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the visual receptor cells of vertebrates. The visual receptor cells are photoreceptors, capture the energy of light and transduce it into neuronal signals. They are located in the retina of vertebrate eye. They fall into two classes: rods and cones. First, we shall discuss the rods, which are more sensitive to light. They enable the animal to see in the dark. That is, they enable night vision. However, they cannot distinguish colors, so they provide achromatic vision, that is black and white only. Cones, in comparison to rods, they are less sensitive. They function best in the presence of bright light. However, they provide better high resolution with color vision. They contribute very little to night vision. There are three types of cones. Each type of cone cell has different sensitivity across the visual spectrum. They are active in the ranges of blue, green, and red colors. Dear students, the number of rods and cones varies in animal retinas. This number correlates with the extent to which an animal is active in night. Most fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and birds have well-developed color vision because they have large number of cone cells. However, most mammals have reduced capacity to see colors, especially the nocturnal mammals which are active during the night. These nocturnal mammals have high proportion of rods in their retinas that give them very much better night vision. Among mammals, humans and primates have well-developed color vision. Human retina contains about 125 million rods and 6 million cones. Dear students, in many mammals, including humans, the center of visual field is about 1 millimeter square central part of retina. This central part of retina is known as fovea centralis. This part has very high density of cones, but it has no rods. It provides very detailed information about the visual field. ये जो highly detailed visual field information है, इसे कहते हैं high visual acuity. ये जो हाई विजुअल एक्विटी है, ये ह्यूमंस की और सिर्फ चंद और मैमल्स हैं उनकी खुसूसियत है. चूंकि फोविया सेंट्रलिस में सिर्फ कोन्स हैं, उसमें कोई रॉड नहीं है, लेकिन जूं हम फोविया से दूर रेटिना के ऊपर चलते चले जाएं तो हम देखते हैं कि कोन्स की जो रेशो है वो कम होती चली जाती है और रॉड्स की कंसंट्रेशन या रेशो बढ़ती चली जाती है, so that the peripheral regions of the retina have only rods but no cones. Dear students, now we shall discuss the structural features of rods and cones. The general cell structure of both these types of, that is rods and cones, cell structure is basically similar. However, देखने में rods जो हैं, they are narrower and longer than the cones. There are three major functional segments of rods and cones: the outer segment, the inner segment, and the synaptic body. First, we shall discuss the outer segment. The outer segment of both rods and cones contains the light-sensitive photochemicals, that is rhodopsins or photopsins. This outer region has large number of discs, which may be up to 1000. These discs are formed by the infolding of cell membrane. Cell membrane ही infold कर रही है और इस तरह के discs बनाती है. The lumen of lamellae of cones is open to the exterior. ये जो shelf से बन रहे हैं, ये cones में shelf बन रहे हैं, जबकि इसके मुकाबले में जो rods के lamellae हैं, they are stacked on each other and form flattened discs. Photopigments are incorporated as transmembrane proteins in the membranes of discs. और ये वो जगह हैं जहां पर primary steps of transduction occur. Dear students, the vertebrate photoreceptor cells contain a rudimentary cilium that connects the outer segment to the inner segment. The inner segment contains the cytoplasm with organelles and nucleus. ये सेल का वो वाला हिस्सा है जिसमें आम सेलुलर ऑर्गेनेल्स मौजूद होते हैं और साइटोप्लाज्म मौजूद है, along with the nucleus. Dear students, the third part of the rods and cones is the synaptic body, which is present at the end of inner segment. This segment connects the rods or cones with the neuronal cells.